This is 89-year-old Sean Meehan from Carberry, County Limerick. I'm going to sing a few songs and I'm going to tell a story. Now, I hope you'll enjoy my singing and my storytelling. I'll give it my best. And my first song is The Black Velvet Band. In Tralee, in sweet County Kerry, I've spent many happy hours in that sweet little town. But a sad misfortune came over me, which caused me to flee from the land, far away from my friends and relations, to follow the Black Velvet Band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds. You'd think she was queen of the land, with her hair hung over her shoulders, tied up with the black velvet band. I took a stroll down Broadway. I took a stroll with this pretty fair maid. A gentleman passing us by, a gold watch she took from his pocket and passed it right into my hand. The law came and took me to prison. Bad luck to the Black Velvet Band. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds. You'd think she was queen of the land, with her hair hung over her shoulders, tied up with the black velvet band. Before judge and jury next morning I had to appear. The judge said, "Young man, the case against you is clear. 7 long years is your sentence. Far away from your land and far away from your friends and relations." Her eyes, they shone like diamonds. You'd think she was queen of the land, with her hair hung over her shoulders, tied up with the black velvet band. Come on, ye jolly young fellows, take warning from me. When you're out on the town, be wary of those pretty colleens. They'll give you strong ale to drink. You will be unable to stand, and the next place you'll find yourself is landed in Van Diemen's Land. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds. You'd think she was queen of the land. Her hair hung over her shoulders, tied up with the black velvet band. 7 long years in Van Diemen's Land, away from your friends and your relations. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds. You'd think she was queen of the land, with her hair hung over her shoulders, tied up with the black velvet band. All together. Her eyes, they shone like diamonds. You'd think she was queen of the land, with her hair hung over her shoulders, tied up with the black velvet band. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, my next song is The Old Bog Road. My feet are here on Broadway this blessed harvest morning, but oh, the ache to send them from the sod where I was born. My weary hands are blistered from toiling cold and heat, but oh, to swing aside today through fields of Irish wheat. Had I the chance to journey back or own the king's abode, 'tis soon I'd see the hawthorn tree by the old bog road. My mother died last springtime, when Ireland's fields were green. The neighbours said her waking was the finest ever seen. There were snowdrops and primroses piled round her bed, and Fellon's church was crowded when her funeral mass was said. But here was I on Broadway, building bricks for load, when they carried out her coffin down the old bog road. Ah, life's a weary puzzle, past finding out by man. I'll take the day for what it's worth, and do the best I can. Since no one cares a rush for me, what need to make a moan? I'll go my way and draw my pay and smoke my pipe alone. Each human heart must know its grief, though bitter be the load. So God be with old Ireland and the old bog road. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, my next song is A Single Rose on My Pillow. When I awoke this morning, imagine my surprise. On my pillow lay a single yellow rose. I smiled, but when I read the card, the teardrops filled my eyes. It was the only way that you could say goodbye. You couldn't tell me to my face that you had found another, and it never crossed my mind you'd be untrue. So today as I lay sleeping, you left me here alone, and you said goodbye with a single yellow rose. Did you know that yellow roses mean you love someone forever, and to say forever I'll be true? Why did you go astray, leave and throw our love away? Why did you leave a single yellow rose? You couldn't tell me to my face that you had found another, and it never crossed my mind you'd be untrue. So today as I lay sleeping, you left me here alone, and you said goodbye with a single yellow rose. Yes, you said goodbye with a single yellow rose. Thank you very much.